Driftrock is a powerful platform for automating communication between businesses and their customers. When I first explored Driftrock, I was impressed by how quickly it set up chatbots to handle messages on websites, through emails, and even social media. It integrates with popular tools like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, which is a huge plus for anyone trying to reach customers on multiple platforms. The interface is relatively easy to navigate, and the onboarding process was smooth, though it does take some time to fully understand all the customization options available. The platform offers a variety of pre-built templates for different use cases, like lead generation, customer support, and marketing automation. These templates made it easier for me to get started, though I still spent some time tweaking them to fit my specific needs. Driftrock also provides a powerful API for advanced users who want to integrate more complex workflows into their operations. The pricing structure of Driftrock is another consideration. It's not the cheapest option out there, especially for smaller businesses, but the features it offers may justify the cost for larger enterprises. The subscription model depends on how many messages you plan to handle, so be aware of potential costs scaling up as your business grows. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One downside I encountered with Driftrock is that the reporting features could be more robust. While it provides basic analytics on chatbot performance, it doesn't offer in-depth insights that some businesses may need for better decision-making. The platform could definitely improve in this area to make it more competitive with other chatbot solutions on the market. In conclusion, Driftrock is an excellent choice for businesses looking to improve their communication and automate repetitive tasks. However, smaller businesses may find it a bit costly, and the reporting features need some work. If you're willing to invest in a tool that can handle multi-channel communication and offer seamless automation, Driftrock might be a great addition to your tech stack. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more honest reviews of business tools. Don't forget to like the video to support the content.